Welcome, students and alumni of KGI. We're going to talk today about KGI Connected, our new platform that is going to empower you to find mentors in the KGI community, whether that be other alumni, advisory council members, trustees, faculty, staff, or fellow students. So one of the questions I get a lot from students is, how do I approach a mentor? What's a best practice? You'll notice on this website you can actually find a lot of resources to that end. But I've also thought it would be a good idea to bring in a few experts from the industry, from academia, who might be able to give you some pointers in the right direction. So we've invited Dr. Susan Bain here, our program director at KGI for Clinical and Regulatory Affairs. Thank you for being with us. And Dr. Joshi, who is our Biocon program director at KGI. So thank you also for coming. So to the question that I posed earlier, how do you think a mentee, so someone who's looking for a mentor, how can they best approach someone new?
Well, I found that the best way for a mentee to approach me as a mentor is for them to know a little bit about me, know a little bit about my background, what I've done in the past, companies I may have worked at previously, the company I work at now. They may want to ask me, why am I at the company I'm at now? What is my position? What was my career path? How did I get where I am today? Also, they might want to take a look around my office, see what I'm interested in. Notice that I have pictures of animals. So maybe they could relate to that with me. They can say, for example, oh, I have a dog at home too. I see you have a dog. What kind of dog do you have? And, break the ice that way. And then once that ice is broken, then the flow becomes much easier.
That's right. So you're finding a connection, you're doing your homework, and then the conversation just flows.
Exactly.
Like you say.
Exactly.
Great advice. Thank you. What do you think, Meghana?
So to add to Susan's point, when you look at your mentor's perhaps LinkedIn profile, and you find out what company they work at, there could be a product that the company has just launched that you might be interested in, or there could be a research area that the company primarily works in, and you might be very passionate about that. And so I would definitely in my message say that I really am passionate about this area, and I would like to speak to you about that. So you might want to then find out what their role is in the company, and if there's been a recent company news article about that particular product or area, then bring that up and have your questions ready when you talk to them.
Great idea. I think doing your homework and being prepared is really important, and it shows a potential even future employer, maybe, you never know, that you are dedicated, you are resourceful, you are interested, and I think that really can make the difference. If you've got a stack of 100 resumes, those types of things in a mentor or even in a job interview are really, really things that are going to set you apart.
You're really willing to take that extra step,
right?
Okay? That other people really aren't really willing to, or don't take the time to do.
Exactly. It really shows respect. It shows interest. I love that. And you also always want to be sure that you ask your mentor, what is your preferred style of communication? Do you want me to send you emails? Would you like me to send you a calendar invitation for a meeting? How often can we meet? Do you mind a monthly call, or is that too much? Can we just do a one-off, and can I send you quick questions on email? Whatever it is, be respectful of their time, be prepared, and also, just make sure you know what you're going to ask before you start talking. Because again, this shows that, as you are now, that's the kind of employee you're going to be. And don't expect them to lead the conversation. Of course, when they're talking, you'll listen, but feel free to just have a few prepared questions ready to go. And as I mentioned earlier, there are some resources there, how to break the ice, a game plan. So feel free to read those resources as well at KGI Connected, and reach out to me, Christa_HOBO at KGI.edu if you have any questions. So thank you, Dr. Bain. Thank you, Dr. Joshi, for your time, and we look forward to seeing you on KGI Connected. Let us know how it goes.